I'm Deputy Thomas with the Onslow County Sheriff's Office. I'm more interested in the forensic side, so I decided to go this route, and investigations has been really interesting to me, so I decided to join BLET as of last year. I was actually looking on the Facebook page, and I saw that that was something that they could offer, and they previously had it, but they went during COVID. They stopped it for a few years, so when they revamped it up, I decided to join. I was actually 19 at the time, so I was already out of high school. But what caught my eye is that they were going to do a tour of the jail. They were going to teach you all things law enforcement, how to do traffic stops, and that I honestly thought that was what I needed to, start my career in law enforcement. When I was 18, I joined the Citizens Academy. I emailed Captain Dixon if I could join, and that's when the sheriff at the time was the colonel and Hans Miller was the sheriff. And once I learned all the divisions, it just really interested me and how the sheriff's office runs. And I decided, okay, I want to work here, but I'm only 18 and I still need to go to BLET. I still have a few years, so I stayed in college, and then that's when the Explorers program kind of came up. So Citizens Academy first, and then the Explorers. Maybe to start young. If you're interested in something, then go for it. Get involved with the community, anything with the sheriff's office. They do a lot of community policing events as well. So if you're interested, feel free to ask any deputies you see. It's honestly really fun for young kids. I mean, most of them are high schoolers in the Explorers right now, but that's giving them something good to do every other week, and it'll really give them an idea of how to start their career. Because a lot of the times kids they're not wanting to go to college for 4 years, and they just want to do something in trades, but this is a good opportunity to get themselves out there and get comfortable in starting this kind of